stud driver, slapping iron, body hammer, another slapping iron, lots of body hammers. .40-ounce hammer. That's a good size. Ooh, cool sander.
I see you taking pictures, so there is a lot more body equipment for pulling dents and banging and digging out old style in my Lincoln, but I don't have room for it all out here.
I saw you worked on your car over the years, so
Yeah.
I figured this was your tools.
Nope, a friend of mine, in a way, I just got remarried and her husband passed away and he had a decent body shop a long time ago.
And he had a duplicate of a lot of yours.
Yeah, well, that and this is his stuff more.
Yeah.
And,
Well, very nice arrangement here.
Yeah.
We got quite a. I like the sander.
Yeah.
I don't have a use for it anymore, but 20 years ago I'd loved it.
Yeah, and back in the day, that's what that was one of the things to have,
Yep. Oh, I worked at a body shop for a while, and I got so sick of running a banjo doing quarter panels. Just not fun.
A lot of arm work.
Yep.
So there's a little of everything, kind of, and
Cool.
I'm moving out, and so my son's moving in, so we got a lot to get rid of.
Cool.
Still got stuff down the barn, and where I moved into, I can't take a lot with us, and this is stuff that's there. It's got to come out so I can get stuff in.
We live down here on just the other block.
Yep.
And we used to live over in Union City, and I had a big barn and my big workshop and all the tools and everything. And we decided we were going to downsize and move closer to the hospital after the heart surgery. So I ended up packing everything into the basement and the garage, and I put up 2 little buildings out back. And I keep saying I'm going to put up another garage, but I haven't done it yet. It's only been 11 years. I got time.
Yeah, there you go. Yeah, I'm 82, and I'm going to go enjoy the rest of it if I can.
Yep. Well, I'm 71, so I got a little more time yet.
Yeah. So it's time to do that. That's what we're going to do.
Cool.
Yep.
Well, have fun.
Yep. And anything that's here, we can deal on too. Prices and stuff too. And I didn't price any of the stuff in the trunk. I just more or less, you got all these different, I can't think of what I want to call them, metals for different angles to hammer and do all that. And we got pullers and all that kind of stuff, even some leading stuff.
I only did leading once. I had a motorcycle I leaded the fenders on.
Yep.
That was interesting.
It's an art in getting it in the way you need it and stuff, and also you can do it to a fender today because they're too thin.
Problem I had was learning when to stop,
Yeah.
because you put the lead on and you put the lead on and you think you got it all done and it goes, phew, comes right off the fender. You go, well, that was too much.
Exactly. How are you today?
All right, what about yourself?
Good.
Very good.
Keep playing.
Definitely keep it in mind.
Did you find something?
It's actually painted on canvas.
Oh, that's neat.
Yeah, it's $2.
Cool.
And I got an egg. I got a nice egg
Yeah,
I got it.
thing.
gold leaf.
Yeah, it's better than my plastic, my white.
Mhm,
I mean, the
ironstone.
white one works fine, but this would be very nice for a, you know, just dressing up the table.
Mm-hmm.
Are you all set or?
I don't know. He's still looking.
Oh, okay. All right.
Waiting on him.
Okay. Yeah. We're all about deals.
Just know that, you know, you keep buying stuff, we have to move.
That's why they have those rental storage spaces.
Alright, who's in charge of the money?
Neighbors 1 block over had a garage sale. I picked up this stuff for 20 bucks. I think it was a pretty good deal. Nice body hammer, another nice body hammer, and a 40-ounce ball peen. Can't kick about that. This ladder is going to be really nice for working around the house. Has a nice tray for putting your paint can on. It's not real high capacity, but I'm not going to be hauling anything heavy on it. Nice thing about it is, it's got a good place to lean on, and it's going to let me reach up high enough to get the light bulbs in the ceiling. While giving me a nice handhold. Going to come in handy for painting the house, both inside and out. Going on a rainy day, prices are always better. Nobody wants to sit in the front yard in the rain and have all their stuff getting wet. Mother's Day weekend, and hopefully it doesn't rain tomorrow because there's going to be a lot of festivities. But even so, it was nice to go visit some neighbors, and I got some nice tools. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching.
This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union without the express written permission of the parents or the legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.